If you want to know how to make the perfect crunchy plantain chips, you are in the right spot. Hello guys, my name is Eliana. If this is your first time on my channel, please don't make it your last by subscribing. Join the family. Here's the plantain I will be using. I love the ripe but firm plantain because it gives a naturally sweet taste while still keeping the chips crunchy. So the first step you need to do is to wash the plantain thoroughly because of dirt. And hygiene is very important when making plantain chips for sale. So we are going to be washing it. We are going to be washing. So me, I'm going to be using this my vegetable chopper because it has blade for slicing. But if you don't have this, you don't need to put pressure on yourself. You can just get the regular slicer from the market. You can get a slicer for as low as 100 naira. And it's very good to use a slicer because it slices them thin and evenly. And because you know that uniform slices fry better and it looks more attractive. So if you slice them evenly, it will look very, very attractive to your customers. You know, we eat with our eyes first before we put anything in our mouth. Our eyes eat it first. Look at it in this bowl. See how evenly and thin. Finished products, guys, look how attractive it is. So you can add a pinch of salt. It's not compulsory because me, I'm using ripe plantain. I just want to add it, but it's not compulsory. If you don't want to add So into your pan, add vegetable oil. Remember, it's deep frying, so you need a lot of oil. You need to be very, very generous with your vegetable oil. The next thing is you're going to add 1 onion bulb to the oil for flavor. But as you can see in the video, I didn't add a full bulb. I divided it into two, because for the next batch of frying, I'll also be adding I'll be adding the other half of the bulb. Do you understand? So you can just be dividing. You don't have to add the bulb at once. So as I'm frying in batches, I'm going to place them on the towels. After, I'll take the batch out, transfer it into a tray. I will place another one so as to prevent it from spoiling faster. And you see that if you don't miss this step, it will make the chips to stay very longer. So guys, this is the next batch. As you can see also that I placed it on paper towel. This process is just to remove excess oil. And I'm saying this because if you will be using it for commercial purpose, it is very important. Please don't skip it. And finally, I spread them on a tray to cool down completely before I now move them into my packaging bowl, as you can see. And that's crispy sweet plantain chips that you can package and sell for profit with the right packaging and marketing. This simple process can become a successful business or watching. Guys, if you find this helpful and you want to learn more about turning food into business, don't forget to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe. And thanks for watching. I really appreciate. Bye.